In this video, we'll walk you through the global settings inside TeamTrace's productivity settings, what they are, how they work, and how to configure them for your organization. To get started, head over to Settings. Look for the TeamTrace Setup section and click on Productivity. Once you're there, you'll see the Global Settings panel at the top. These settings allow you to configure system-wide productivity and tracking preferences, meaning the changes you make here will apply across your entire organization. The first thing you'll notice are the installation and uninstallation keys for the silent tracker. These keys are used when deploying or removing the silent tracker on employee devices. Simply copy the relevant key and use it during your process. Next up is tracker settings, where you have two options for how the tracker collects data. Option 1. Tracking runs from the device start time to the device stop time, meaning the tracker stays active for the entire duration the device is on. Option 2. Tracking happens only during specific hours that you define, which is useful if you want to limit tracking to standard working hours. If you select Option 2, you'll be prompted with a confirmation message before proceeding. Once confirmed, you'll be asked to set your preferred tracking hours. Moving on, you have the screenshot quality setting. Here, you can choose between 3 levels. Low, smaller file sizes suitable for basic visibility. Medium, a balanced option for most use cases. High, maximum detail, ideal where visual accuracy is important. Select the option that best fits your storage capacity and tracking needs. The final setting is Office Network. This is where you can add and manage multiple Office networks. Only the networks assigned here will be considered as Office networks. By configuring this, TeamTrace can automatically detect whether an employee is working in Office or from anywhere else, and tag their activity accordingly. This makes it easy to generate accurate reports on in-office versus work-from-home days. We'll cover this report in more detail when we get to the Analytics section later in this series.